Mr. John back here with another video. Given the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by or over 5 minus x, determine the value of x for which the function is undefined. Okay. And that is for one max. So using the max in as an indication, CXC expects you to know this. When a function is undefined, it simply means, well, let me just get into a little bit of explanation. Only taking a second. At heart, a function, this form of a function is in the form of a fraction, right? It has a numerator and it has a denominator. And we know with fractions, the numerator could be 0. It could possibly be 0 or any other number, right? Or any other integer, right? Or whole number. However, the denominator can never be equal to 0. Can never be equal to 0. When that happens, when the denominator is equal to 0, we get something what we call is undefined, or you might see in your calculator as error. So for instance, just quickly put in 5 over 0. You're going to get the undefined or error function. So therefore, a function is undefined where the denominator is equal to 0. So here we have the function 2x plus 3 over 5 minus x. Right? Therefore, we need to make the bottom portion, I'm going to put this in a different color, probably yellow, equal to 0. And then the goal here, how can we make this equal to 0? Well, it should be obvious. If this is positive 5, then if you turn x into, well, look, you have a negative sign here, right? So if you turn x into 5, then you're going to get 0. Because 5 minus 5 is 0. Right? But if you couldn't figure it out like that, then all you need to do is simply equate it. So taking the denominator portion, let's equal it to 0. And we're trying to solve for x, right? So solve for x. This is negative x. We could simply take this and bring it across over here, right? Or another way you could look at it is just plus x on both sides. So that is 5 equal positive x. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So for the question, the value of x for which the function is undefined. Therefore, when x is equal to 5, the function will be undefined. Right? So this is a popular question. It usually comes. So just try to understand the concept of it. Okay. So that was for 1 mark. Next, they want us to find the inverse of the expression. They want the inverse of each of x for 3 marks. Okay, so to find the inverse, what we can do is write our function back. So that is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 over 5 minus x. And then you're saying let y equal, in this case, it's h of x. And remember, this here is h of x, right? So therefore, we put this in blue. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 over 5 minus x. And then you're saying, and you need to make these statements, interchange the variables. So at this point, anyway, you're seeing x, you're putting y, and anyway, you're seeing y, you're putting x. So x equal to 2y plus 3 over 5 minus y. And then you're making your next statement to say let's make y the subject of the formula. So make y the subject of the formula. Make y the subject of the formula. So this was your third part in the statement. So now we're writing it, x is equal to 2y plus 3 over 5 minus y. And now we're trying to solve for y. So we're solving for y now. Of course, since as this is a division, we need to use the inverse of that, which is multiplication. So just multiply on both sides. 5 minus y. These two would cancel off, leaving x, open bracket, 5 minus y is equal to 2y plus 3. X multiplying 5 would give you 5x. Positive x multiplying negative y would give you negative xy. And all that is equal to 2y plus 3. And then you would do grouping. So we need to put all the y's on the same side. So I'm going to take this, let me use a different color, probably blue. I'm going to take this negative xy and I'm going to put it on the right hand side. Put it over here. So that would give me positive xy plus 2y. And I'm taking the 3 and I'm put this in a different color, this 3, and I'm bringing it across over here. So this would be 5x minus 3. And at this point, I am doing something that we call factorizing. So let's factorize. So in fact, this is called basic factorizing. We're taking out anything that is common, in this case, the y. So we pull out y and this just leave x plus 2. And over here, 5x minus 3. Now we simply, now we need to get rid of the x plus 2. So we need to divide on both sides. X plus 2. These two would cancel out. Therefore, we would have y is equal to 5x minus 3 over x plus 2. Hold on, we didn't finish it. Take out the therefore part. Now let me really put in it now. Therefore, the inverse of h of x is equal to, putting it in blue, 5x minus 3 over x plus 2. So 5x minus 3 over x plus 2. This would be the inverse of h of x. Let's see, and that was for 3 maths. So this question was taken from January 2019, question 4A. If this video was helpful to you, like, comment, share, and subscribe.